We really enjoyed our stay. We could not ask for better service. Dot. Awesome place, clean, great staff. Nice rooms. Love this place. Highly recommended, not very expensive, good location, spacey room. Excellent location, clean, priced right with late checkout. Very comfortable and clean bed, climate control superb, spacious and clean room. Great location, downtown Montreal. Nice hotel. The room is very clean and the staff are nice. It is close to the subway in Chinatown. Highly recommended. Love this hotel. 5 minutes walking to Chinatown and 10 minutes walking to Old Montreal and Old Port. Very good. Good service. This is best and affordable hotel for short stays. Staff is very polite, especially the person at the reception at nighttime was very kind and polite. Must visit this hotel. Perfect place to live. Room was so clean and the staffs were so friendly. I really liked this place. I will suggest my family and friends to visit there. It was an amazing experience for me.